Hello, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel guys. So today's video we'll be talking about how you can boot a Linux software from a USB drive, which basically means if you're having a Windows machine, you don't need to do anything to your OS or create a partition. Instead you can plug this USB drive into your device and booting from this USB device. Also, one more thing is that even if you're booting from this device, all your folders or all the files in the physical hard drive inside the PC will be accessed from this Linux OS from this pen drive. So it's very convenient to use. And also one more thing to note is the Windows is a paid software, but Linux is an open source software, which means it is basically free. So it is very easy to install it on the boot drive pen drive. So we'll be talking about how can boot from a USB drive to a Linux software. So without any modules, let's starting with the process. I want to say that the requirements for this thing is a USB drive. I will prefer 8GB or 16GB if you have one. And also I'm going to be making this Windows PC which is running on the Windows 8.1. I'm going to be booting this PC which is plugged right here with the pen drive into Linux OS. So for that I'll be plugging my USB drive to my laptop first, and after that let's continue with the process. So guys, for making a bootable Kali Linux pen drive, first thing is you have to insert your pen drive into a laptop or your PC. After that you have to go directly to your web browser and you have to go to this website which is official Kali Linux software website. You can see here it's www.kali.org. You have to go here. The link will be provided in the description. You can directly go down here and you can install this thing. Also firstly, when you are kind of getting into the software, you will get such an interface right here. You can see a lot of options like bare metal, virtual machine, mobile phones for and cloud and all those things, but we will be using this one specific option which is the live boot option right here. You can also install the ARM from here. We'll be going for the live boot options right here, and just click on live boot option. You will be redirected to the live boot option right here, and you can read the description right here, and here it is asking you to select the bit version of your PC. Normally it will be 64-bit. Also if you have a option also, you can, if you are using an Apple device, you can use this. I'll be going for the 64-bit. And after that you can see here this is the particular version. Two versions there, weekly image and also Kali 2021.3. I will be particularly installing this software right here, the Kali 2021.3, and you can directly click here and your installation will begin right there. So I have already downloaded it, so not downloading it again. You can download it fully and close it. And also you will need one more software for this thing is this Balena Icha software. The link will be provided in the description. You can directly go. You can just click here and download the Balena Icha software. It's free. And now after installing both of things, you just need to open the Balena Icha software. Basically open the Balena H software. It will be such an interface. It's very easy to use. And first thing first is you have to make sure where you have installed the Kali Linux. Basically it will be normally on the download folder. You have to make sure where did you install that iOS file from the Kali Linux website. After that click on flash from file, and after flashing click on that, you can see here yeah, I have Kali Linux software right here. Just click on it and click on open, and you can see the software is selected, and you have to select the target which will be a pen drive. You can click on here and you can see here the Cruiser Bride USB drive 60GB. Click on that and click on select, and now basically everything is set. And now just need to click on the flash option right here. Clicking on flash and click on S, and now you can see here it is starting and it will take some time, so till then just relax. You can see here it's flashing 0%. So I'll meet you guys after finishing the flashing, so catch you guys after that. Now the USB flashing is successfully finished. Now what you have to do is to remove the USB from the device, or if you are using installed the bootable pen drive in the same device, you can just keep it and restart your PC, or if you are using in my PC, I will be inserting the pen drive into the USB port of this PC and turning it on. And when the device is turning on, you have to go to the BIOS settings. Normally it will be delete button, and you will be clicking on the delete button, and you will reach in the BIOS settings right here. And here you just change some things, or go to the boot option right here. The BIOS settings will be different for different PCs, so you have to take care. And here you can see operating system select. I'll be selecting as manual here because I'm not using any Windows system. And you have to disable the fast boot option, and here you have to come here to the boot mode select and make it UEFI, and that's almost done. And now you have to go to the security settings, and here you have to disable the secure boot option. And you have to go to the exit and just click on save changes, and you have to come here and you will see the boot override option, and here click on the SanDisk cursor blade, which I have just inserted, and click on enter and say configuration reset. Yes, and now let it boot. And you can see here a new window opened. Here you can see the Kali Linux, and you can see some options like live AMD 64, and also failsafe forensic mode. And you don't have to worry about all those things. You just need to click on the first link and click on enter, and now you will be redirected to the Kali Linux operating system. And you can see here the logo of the Kali Linux software. It will take some time to boot up. And as you guys can see, okay guys, now as you guys can see, here is the Kali Linux booted up, and you can see all those things. And also one more thing is my physical hard drive, which is installed inside the PC, is 500 GB, and you can see here, here is the 500 GB volume disk which I installed. And here you can see here file system, and also another one, trash home. You can see all the files which is inside your physical hard drive is also visible here, and like all those features you can see here. And here you have the command center, and you can see here all those programming things like here. And also here you can see the settings for this thing, and this is the terminal. You can see here the terminal, which is same as the Ubuntu. You can use all those Ubuntu fun features and all those commands in this thing also. Also here you will be able to use see the internet options, the speaker options, volume, notifications, battery, lock option, and logout option. And basically if you're installing this thing, after some time it will go to the sleep mode, and it will ask for a password. You can change the password if you want from the settings, but if you accidentally happen to come across locking your device and it is asking for password, then the password is KALI in the small letter. Kali is the password for this thing. And that's pretty much all. You can go to the home, you can see all those folders, and also for accessing internet you can see here you have the Mozilla Firefox. Here you can see the browser for this thing. You can install in the browser also. So that's pretty much all about installing Kali Linux on your PC. And also if you want, just I'll just click on shutdown and turn the entire thing off and remove the USB and start it again and after the page opens, click on delete for going into BIOS settings. And after going to BIOS settings, you have to change it to back to normal. What is this? Here I am using Windows 8, so I'll be putting it in the Windows 8 option and to the UEFI. Also if you have Windows 10, you can leave it in the legacy option, and here go to security options and click on X, and here I will be save changes as, and I'll be boot override. I'll be clicking on the hard disk, and now it will be automatically redirected to the Windows 8, which is physically installed on my PC. So as you guys can see, I have booted up to the Windows 8, which is my normal Windows, and you can see it worked fine. You just need, and by using this method, don't need to worry about any kind of data loss or something like that. All your data will be safe, and also your operating system is also safe, so don't worry about. If you want, by the time you want to use Kali Linux, you just plug in the pen drive and yeah, done. And also one more thing is, if you are traveling to some places like your office or something like that, and you want to use this Kali Linux also right there, it doesn't depend what device you use. You can try to use it on any device, so just click insert it on and just use it in. That is how you plug and play. Yeah, that is what it means. And also one more thing, also you can install it on your MacBook also, the M1 chipset. You can just select the option on the Kali Linux website, and you can install it on that device also. So that's how you boot your Kali Linux software from your USB pen drive. So I hope you guys like this video. If you are new to my channel, sub to channel will be awesome, and also turn on the bell icon near it so that you guys won't miss a beep. Also, if you want to share this video with your friends, you can do that. It will be very helpful for them also. So that's what we're all in today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.